In today's video, I am going to show you how to use Chrome extensions on your Android smartphone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we go on with the video, please don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our content. You can also share your thoughts in the comment section below and let us know what you want us to do for the next video. Now let us go back into the video. As we know, we can easily add Chrome extensions on our personal computers or laptops. But if we look at our phone, there are no extensions showing. But does that mean we can't use Chrome extensions on our phone? No, that's why I am here. I will show you how you can add Chrome extensions in your Android smartphone by simply downloading an application from Play Store. Don't worry, the application that we will use does not require a lot of storage and is also safe, so you won't have to worry about your personal information. The first thing we want to do to add Chrome extensions is to download an app called Kiwi Browser. This step is crucial because it will be the one that will let us use Chrome extensions on our smartphone. So let us go to Play Store and search for Kiwi Browser. After that, let us tap install and wait for it to finish installing. Once it is done installing, let us open the app. Let us hit continue. And after that, what we want to do next is tap on these three dots on the top right corner of the screen. And then as we can see, there is an extension showing. Just tap that. And then to add extensions, just click this plus from store. And then search for the extension that you want to use. Just tap it, and then once you have tapped your extension, just tap add to Chrome and then hit OK. And then wait for the extension to be added to your Chrome. And there you go. Once your extension has been successfully installed, let us see if it actually works. To see if it actually works, just tap these three dots again and then tap the extension that you just installed. And as we can see, we have successfully added Chrome extensions on our Android smartphone. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.